Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 45 from 1.3 exercises in James Stewart's calculus. We are asked to express the function in the form f of g, so we have to figure out what f is and what g is, and to do that we have to imagine that f is on the outside and it is the function which we're substituting into. So if we're substituting into f, so we can imagine that f of x would just be x over 1 plus x. And our g would perhaps be the cube root of x. And if you now find f of g, it should be f. Now in place of x, we're substituting the cube root of x, which would look like this. And this is the function which is given to us. So whenever you have a function in another, you're just substituting the function in place of the x. So now that we see the same function repeating there and there, it's safe to conclude that f was originally x over 1 plus x. And when we now find f of g, we're just going to substitute g wherever we see x. And that is the function that matches what we have in 45.